Meaning of endosperm.
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 Endosperm. The endosperm is a tissue in the seeds of flowering plants that provides nutrients to the developing embryo. It is formed during fertilization when one of the sperm cells combines with the central cell nucleus in the ovule. The endosperm contains starches, proteins, and other nutrients that are used by the growing embryo as it develops into a mature seed. In some plants, the endosperm is consumed as food by humans and animals. Overall, the endosperm plays a crucial role in supporting the growth and development of the next generation of plants.